Did you know that most bakeries actually use box caking mix? The only thing they do is do something different. Don't follow the directions on the back of the box. You're actually going to add one whole stick of butter instead of the oil. The box says 3 eggs, but we're actually going to add 4. Instead of a cup of water, we're going to be adding a whole cup of milk. And that gets mixed. Pour this into a 13 by 9 and bake at 350 degrees for about 28 to 30 minutes. For our second layer, we're going to get a can of sweetened condensed milk. And that goes in there at the same time as a can of evaporated milk. Half a cup of heavy whipping cream. And half a cup of Nesquik strawberry milk. That condensed milk is still going. Go ahead and get the rest of that out. Somebody's patience can only last so long. Go ahead and mix this together. And then we're going to be adding some strawberry syrup just to kind of make things pink. See how pink that gets? It's so pretty. We're going to bring back our cake. 2 forks. And this gets poured all over the top. And make sure that everything gets soaked in. Look at that. All got soaked in. And we're going to be topping it with some Cool Whip. I'm using the extra creamy, but the regular kind works just as well. And just put the whole tub right in there. Then spread that out. And then we're going to be making our final topping, which is our strawberry crumb topping. So we're going to take a box of strawberry jello. This is a 1/4 cup of melted butter. And then I'm taking 18 golden Oreos and crushing them up, just like that. This gets all mixed in. And you crush the cookies with the frosting, not just the cookies. You want that frosting in there. And you're just going to go ahead and give this a quick mix with your hands. A tasty crumb coating that's strawberry flavored, just like those strawberry shortcake ice cream bars. So once you have this done, let's bring our cake back. And we're going to dump this all over the top. Doesn't that look pretty? Take some more of that strawberry syrup and drizzle that on top. And then this is going to go into the fridge for about an hour to 2, just to set. We get some strawberries, just lay them right on top. And this last one, doesn't that look really, really pretty? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take a big old slice out of the side. I'm gonna love strawberry shortcake, so this is gonna be amazing, I can tell. Look at that. Doesn't that look pretty? Oh, it's gonna tip over, maybe. Oh, we did okay. Take a slice of that cake. I'm getting the strawberry in there too, maybe. That's good.
It tastes just like the strawberry shortcake.